Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur begins today with over 29,000 students appearing at 101 examination centers. And JC gains a natural death of Sikh Waris from Lilong Damaka at Manipur Sajua Jail decides to approach Human Rights Commission. Good afternoon and welcome to Back News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjim bringing you the top stories. Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Kostim begin today. Altogether, 29,144 students are appearing in the examination from science, arts and commerce streams in 101 examination centers across the state. Students appeared for English paper on the first day today. Strict security was maintained in and around the examination centers to avoid any unwanted incidents. Flying squads of the council, student organizations and even the Education as Director, T.H. Kiran Kumar kept a strict eye on invigilators and students to prevent unfair practice during the exam. It may be mentioned that proscribed Group Alliance for Socialist Unity, Kanglai Park, Asok and amalgamation of KYKL and KCP has imposed curfew within 200-meter radius of all the examination centers. JAC against the unnatural death of Sikh Waris from Lilong Damaka at Manipur Sajua Jail has resolved to file a complaint at Human Rights Commission demanding befitted punishment to those involved in his death. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, JAC convener Habibullah said that JAC called off its general strike against the suspicious death after holding a dialogue with the Chief Minister, SP Thaubal and SP Imphal West last evening. He warned of intense agitations if agreements reached in the meeting are not materialized at the earliest.
Manipur Central Jail Sajiwada ayamna chingnaningai mongda sina phangkiba Sheikh Waris mahaki matangda semkiba JAC ga haidi Manipur Sarkar ga maroin Honorable CM amadi Imphal West ki SP Thawal SP punna phaminna duna yasinaba amadi purakre misi asigi tumba langla langin puthoknabagi damakda magistrate inquiry ama thubada ngasi maktagi horaga tauba haina order amasu thoe inquiry asi Government of Manipur da numit kunchani gi manungda ikhalaknabagi order amasu thokre numit asida duty taba jail gi authority ahum mamana gi suspend tauba sikhriba ngang asigi imung manungda masaga chanaba government job ama piba ex gracia gi 5 lakhs amana khudakta piba haibo famsing asida famsing asi yana khibaga loina JAC na changsan gani haina laukthokkiba khongjang sing adu matam khara gi oina akhoi suspend tawre haina JAC gi maikai digi press media gi khuthangda khanganjari.
Black topping of road at Thiamlai Sangkhong area in Imphal West were scrapped off using heavy machineries yesterday. However, road condition of Wangoi area remains the same. It may be recalled that Impact News exposed the deplorable condition of Mayai Lambi from Wangoi till Thiamlai Sangkhong on February 10. Acting on the news coverage, relevant authority destroyed the substandard blacktop road at Thiamlai Sangkhong area. Additional Chief Engineer, 3rd of the Public Works Department, the Rabindra Kumar even blamed Manipur's renowned works agency, HVS Construction Material Private Limited, for carrying out the low-quality repair of the road without the department's consent. But HVS further blamed that some individuals who got subcontract assignment of the project on verbal agreement went ahead with the repair before getting final approval from the company. All Ziribam United Club Association has urged the government to initiate activities to uplift areas of Ziribam district which are behind development. Speaking on the sidelines of the association's Foundation Day at Ziribam Babupara, President of the association, Mutum Maipaksana Mangang, said Ziribam ITI jail needs government's immediate attention. He also complained that PHED is not functioning efficiently in the district. A combined team led by Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAB Additional SP TH Brinda and Saklemba RK has destroyed illegal poppy plantations at Waichai village and Lirok Nepali village in Kangpokpi district. The team comprising of personnel of NAB, District Police Kangpokpi, Imphal West and Imphal East Commando Team, Home Guard, NCB and forest officials of Imphal East has destroyed poppy plants cultivated at around 80 acres land area in Waichai village under Saikol police station and poppy plants cultivated around 10 acres land area of the river bank of Lirok Nepali village. NAB police station has registered a case. Diamond Radio Kongtom observed World Radio Day yesterday. Program executive of Diamond Radio, James Haikrujam, addressed a gathering of enthusiast listeners of the community radio service. Attendees showcased their varied talents at the event. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on nation paying homage to 40 CRPF martyred Jawans of Pulwama terror attack. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Nation pays rich tributes to 40 CRPF martyred Jawans of Pulwama terror attack on the first anniversary. The martyrs made supreme sacrifice and devoted their precious lives in serving and protecting the nation last year. A memorial to the 40 CRPF personnel was inaugurated at Letpura camp today. The names of all the 40 personnel along with their pictures are part of the memorial along with the motto of CRPF, Seva and Nistha, service and loyalty. President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have paid homage to the martyrs of Pulwama attack. It was on this day last year, 40 CRPF personnel were martyred in a terror attack in Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir. Umesh Gopinath Jadhav from Maharashtra was a special guest at the wreath laying ceremony at CRPF campus in Letpura. Jadhav took 61,000-kilometer long journey across India from Maharashtra to meet the families of the 40 Jawans and collected the soil from their houses and their cremation grounds. The memorial has been set up inside a CRPF camp adjacent to the place where Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist Adil Ahmad Dar, driving an explosive-laden car, blew himself next to the convoy last year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Portuguese President Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa held extensive talks on Friday, exploring ways to deepen bilateral ties in a range of areas, including trade and investment. Sousa arrived here on Thursday night on a 4-day visit, his first to India. The last visit by a Portuguese president to India was in 2007. Officials said the talks covered entire expanse of bilateral ties, including in areas of trade, investment and education. Sousa is accompanied by a high-level delegation. In the morning, the Portuguese president was accorded a ceremonial welcome at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. President Ramnath Kovind will meet a visiting president on Friday evening and host a banquet in his honor. Sousa will also travel to Maharashtra and Goa during his visit. And in sports news, second annual sports meet of Royal Riders Manipur kicked off today. Royal Riders Manipur is hosting a 2-day sports meet along with Kongpal Kongkham Laikai Club. Around 200 members of Royal Riders Manipur are participating in the meet held at the club's ground. Members divided into 4 teams will compete in various events including football, arms wrestling, 100-meter and 400-meter relay race, shot put and figure of 8 racing event. Speaking on the occasion, President of Royal Riders Manipur, Laishra Momocha, said the sports meet aimed to steer people away from drug abuse to build a healthy society. Members of Royal Riders Manipur also planted tree saplings at Kongpal Kongkham Laikai Club ground to mark the event.
Say couldn't is ate quick activities, Mayama calendar walk on a Torambadagi, when sports Marongi, Haptalino have Matanda, Wiziki Matanda, Malim Sida, Tareva, Lenatina, Kayama, Pola, Visidasi, Nakuk Nanamba, Haiduna Sana Konabigi, Huxtail Gimatanga, Amina, Hakoi Haksang, Siam, Luna Nana, Amadiamna, Masamu, Pana, Lenavi, the Makta, Klapagi Horaga, sports Missia Quina, Sam Hazabani, Royal Riders, Manipugi, Quina Tauzeriba, Lebaki, the Makta, Quina Singum Manung Changan, pre medical Kayama, Tauba, Uwa, Taba, Asina Singba, regulator Lying. Angang ahal khakdana akhona chingnu manung chang akhona ngasi bokta mateng panga university sida isa haibasisu sexual ogda yadamnina akhoni sports event si akhoi tawbani sinjari basi lebak miyam support tawbiyo.
Orissa FC will play against Northeast United FC in the match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at Orissa's Kalinga Stadium tonight at 7:30. Hyderabad FC and Jamshedpur FC ended in a 1-1 draw in yesterday's league match played at Hyderabad's GMC Bala Yogi Athletic Stadium. For Hyderabad, Newster Gordillo scored 1 goal at 39th minute, and for Jamshedpur FC, Sumit Pasi scored 1 goal at 90 plus 3 minutes of the match. Mohan Bagan FC will lock horns with Neroka FC in a match of their ongoing Hero I-League at West Bengal's Kalyani Stadium this evening at 5. East Bengal FC and Minerva Punjab FC ended in a 1-1 draw in yesterday's league match played at West Bengal's Kalyani Stadium. For East Bengal FC, Ansumana Kroma netted 1 goal at 9th minute, and for Minerva Punjab FC, Gire Khosla scored 1 goal at 14th minute. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur begins today with over 29,000 students appearing at 101 examination centers. And JC against unnatural death of Sheikh Waris from Lilong Damaka at Manipur's Sajua jail decides to approach Human Rights Commission.